This is Billy. You know, Billy is sad right now because he has a bunch of extra money, but he doesn't know where to put his money. I told Billy to invest in the stock market, but Billy is still sad because he doesn't know what apps to use to invest in the stock market. Well, are you Billy? Are you just like Billy? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 different apps that I use myself to invest in the stock market. Stay tuned. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drill here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I don't want you guys to end up like Billy. I don't want you guys to end up sad and depressed like Billy because he doesn't know the best apps to invest in the stock market. He doesn't know where to put his money at, right? So, like I said in the intro, I will be showing you guys 3 different apps that I use myself to invest in the stock market. So make sure that you stay tuned, drop a like on this video, subscribe to join the Black Hustlers Club gang. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first app that I want to show you guys is an app called Acorns. Now, the cool thing about this app, actually, let me show you guys. Alright, so I'm on one of my Acorns accounts right now, and this is just like my test account, right? So as you can see, I only have $375 in it. But the cool thing about Acorns is that it does all the investing for you, right? So all you need to do is deposit the money and then invest the money for you. You don't have to pick the stocks yourself or anything like that. It does all the investing for you. So it's really just passive income. To be honest with you, it's passive income because you're not picking the stocks yourself. You just have to deposit the money and they do the investing for you. And another cool feature that they have, right, is that let's say you go to the store, right, and you buy something for 75 cents, right? It'll take that extra 25 cents to get to $1, right? It'll take that extra 25 cents and invest it in the stock market for you. So that's the cool thing about this app, and it actually shows you guys the potential by age. So it's telling me that by age 56, I'll have $47,000 in this account. And let's actually go to age 60, $61,000 in the account. So you can see by like different ages. As you guys know, I'm 20 right now. Let me actually change my potential. So let's say I'm investing let's do $5 a day, right? And I'm gonna turn that on. No, actually I'm not gonna turn it on, but $5 a day, I would be at $350,000 by age 60, which is $5 a day. So you can see the compound interest kicking in and everything like that. Now that's not a guarantee, of course, because you know the market is very volatile. Some weeks is up, some weeks is down, but that's just like an average over time. Now let me actually skip this so I can show you guys something else. Now another thing that I wanted to show you guys is the different types of portfolios that you can pick, right? So as you can see, mine is on aggressive. Now yours might be a little bit different because as you guys know, I'm young. So if you're a little bit older, you might want to go more conservative, but I'm young, so I went aggressive. And as you can see with the aggressive portfolio, it's all stocks, like 100% stocks. If you go moderately aggressive, it's mostly stocks and some bonds. And then moderate, they got about half and half. And then moderately conservative is more bonds than stocks. And then you go all the way conservative, it's all bonds. So like I said, this is going to depend on how old you are and your risk tolerance, because if you go all stocks, that's more riskier than going all bonds. So it really just depends on the type of person you are. But if you click on it, you can see like what you're actually investing in, because I know a lot of you guys are wondering like what you're actually investing in. So if you just click on it, you can see. And then if you go to this one is a little bit different. So they're investing in different things for you. Like I said, you're not doing any of the work yourself. You're just picking a portfolio, and then whatever portfolio you choose, that's what they're going to invest in for you. But I'm gonna actually show you guys another thing, which is the rounders, which is what I was talking about earlier in this video with the change, right? So like you can actually add a multiplier on it as well. So let's say you have 30 cents left over, and you can add a multiplier on that. So if you do a 2x, that's 60 cents. So if you do 3x, that's 90, and then 10x, that's a whole $3. So you can 10x your change. So like I said, if you're doing 30 cents, you could do that $3 instead of 30 cents. Or if you had 25 cents left over, that 25 cents will become $2.50. It really just depends on how much you want to be investing in the stock market and your budget, really. But let me go back. And then they got recurring investments as well. So you could do the $5 a day, or you could do $5 every Friday. It's really up to you. $50 a week, you can do $500. So let's just do 50. every Friday. So you can set the amount that you want to invest every single week or every single day. It's really up to you, man. It's really up to you. But that's just one of the apps that I wanted to show you guys. It's called Acorns. I've used this app myself. I've actually made a video on this, like my first 50 days using this app, on my channel as well, way back in the day. It was a couple months ago, and you can see my results from that video if you want to check it out. But if you guys want to get Acorns, I'm gonna leave a link down below. You'll get $5 when you sign up, and I'll get $5 as well, so you can use that link if you want. But yeah, this is one of the apps that I use to invest in the stock market. This is more of a passive one. You don't have to pick the stocks yourself. All you have to do is put the money in your account, pick your portfolio, and then it'll invest it based on your portfolio. Now the second app that I want to show you guys is called Robinhood. So I'm on Robinhood right now, as you can see in one of my accounts with Robinhood. Now this app is a little bit different. It's a little bit different than Acorns. So as you guys seen earlier with Acorns, you're not picking the stocks yourself, but with this one, you are going to be picking the stocks yourself. So let me actually look up like Apple, for example, right? So let's go with Apple, and as you can see, it's at $269, and you can see the graph on it. Let's go to 1 month. So as you can see, with 1 month, it's down $8. 3 months is down $41. So now would be a good time to buy some Apple stock. But you can scroll down, you can see the stats. They got some news articles on it, and they even have the rating. So that's a cool feature about this app, is that they have the rating. So as you can see, the analyst rating is at 71% buy right now. So it actually gives you an idea of whether you should be buying the stock or not with these ratings. And let me actually look up another stock. So let's go with Microsoft real quick. So let's look at Microsoft. So Microsoft is at $165, and let's go to 3 months. So that actually up $2.65 right now. And if we scroll down, the rating is at 91% buy for Microsoft. So that means, hey, there's a pretty good chance that you can make a return on this. If 91% is saying buy, it might be a good time to buy. So that's one of the best features about this app. It like gives you an idea of what you should be buying and what you shouldn't be buying. Let me go to another one. Let's go to Uber real quick. Uber, and let's see what they're talking about. So let's go to 3 months. So Uber is actually down $6 right now. If I scroll down, they're saying 79% buy with Uber. So I was talking about Uber before as well. Like Uber is a great one to buy right now. They're down right now, but I feel like they're gonna be up in the future. Let me go to one more, because I know I've been telling you guys about the airlines and everything like that. Let me look up Spirit Airlines right now. Oh, let's do American Airlines. American Airlines real quick. Let's see what they're at right now. So American Airlines is at $13 right now, and then in the past 3 months they're down almost $15, right? So if I scroll down, it's saying 31% buy, 36% hold, and 31% sell. So American Airlines, it's an iffy one. It's like, I don't know about American Airlines, but I would say buy. But that's just my opinion. Let me go to one more, and then I'm gonna go through the rest of Robinhood. Spirit Airlines. Let's go to Spirit Airlines. Let's see about this one. So they're at $15 right now. Last 3 months they're down $25, almost $26. And if I scroll down with this one, it's saying 50% buy, 43% hold, and 7% sell. So hey, I would go ahead and buy this one as well. They're down almost $16 from everything going on right now. So once everything clears up, I feel like they'll be right back up there. But yeah, that's another one. So let me just walk you guys through the rest of the app real quick. So as you can see, my account only has $19, but like I said, this is just a test account that I'm showing you guys. And let me just scroll down. So yeah, that's the home. You got the search. So this is where you can search all the stocks at. Right here, you can see the news articles and everything. And they got the top movers as well. So that's another thing that you could look up. This one went up 200% today, 200%. And if I go to the week, right, it's up 355%. That's insane, man, 355%. Let me go back. But yeah, they got the top movers as well, so you could just look at those. And then that's pretty much it, right? So that's pretty much it with Robinhood, that's another great app that you could do. Now, if you guys were interested in this app called Robinhood, you can click the link in the description below and you can get a free stock when you sign up, and you can cash that stock out, or you can hold it and wait till it goes up in value. Whatever you want to do, right? You can click the link in the description below. You can sign up for Robinhood. This is another great app that I use to invest in stocks. And by the way, with Robinhood, it's free. You don't have to worry about trading fees or anything like that. Every single app that I'm showing you guys in this video is free. It's for the free. So make sure you grab those. But for the last one that I want to show you guys in this video, it's called M1 Finance. Now I'm gonna pull it up on my phone right now so you guys can see it. Alright, so I'm on my M1 Finance account. So this is one of my test accounts as well. So with M1 Finance, I think I like this one the best. I'm not gonna lie to you. When it comes to Acorns, Robinhood, and M1 Finance, I'm feeling M1 Finance the most right now. And let me actually show you guys some of the features. So let's actually go to the stocks first. So for the stocks, they have all the news articles, you know, the usual. Let's actually go to Apple so I can show you guys the difference between the interfaces. So with Apple, as you can see, it's $267 right now. They have the interface, so you got the price history. So they got the 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and that's pretty. The 1 year is actually 33%. It's up 33% right now. And let me actually go to the profile so you can see that. But let's actually go to some of the best features of M1 Finance, right? So with M1 Finance, they have these things called pies, right? And let me show you guys what these are. So if I go back and then if I go to expert pies, right? So they have expert pies that are picked out by experts, right? So they got general investing, plan for retirement, responsible investing, income earners, hedge funds, just stocks and bonds, and other strategies, right? So they got these pies that are picked out for you, and then that's where they do the investing for you. So you could just go to general investing, and then if you want to be ultra aggressive, right? Let's just go to ultra aggressive. You could actually get one of their pies that they picked out for you from experts, right? So if you like a newbie, if you don't really know what you're doing, you could just go to like one of these pies picked out by experts and let them do the investing for you. All you gotta do is actually fund the account, and then it'll go into the pie. But as you can see, right, for this one, you'll be investing in Vanguard, right? So as you can see, they got Vanguard everything, right? But yeah, you'll be investing all in Vanguard for this one. And so you can see like what you're actually invested in, and you could go to targets. So this one got mostly Vanguards, and then they got some iShares. And then let's go to one more. So moderately, this one is mostly Vanguard, right, as well. And then they got different ones. So they got responsible investing. So for this one, you'll be investing in this company right here. I really never heard of this company, but they're up 60 cents right now. So if you want like a more responsible investing, and like I said, these are picked out by experts, right? So if you, like I said, this is more for beginners. If you don't really know what you're doing, pick out an expert pie and you can run with that. But if you actually want to pick out your own stocks, you can as well. So you can have your own pies. So I got my pies right here, and they got handpicked, and I can actually build a new one, and I can add all the stocks I want to it. So you, like I said, if you're a beginner, you can have someone do it for you. You can pick out an expert pie. And if you're more advanced, you can pick out your own stocks yourself and add them to your own pie. So I can add all of these stocks if I wanted to my own pie, right? And then when I invest some money, they'll go into this one, and you could change the percentage. So if I want 25% in this one, boom, I could do that. Or if I wanted to do 25% in Apple, I could do that as well. So I just gotta take that down and then put this one up. 25%, boom, right there. So it's really however you want to do it. So that's the best part about M1 Finance. You can create your own pies, or you can get an expert pie made for you. And another feature that this one has that Robinhood doesn't have, right, is called fractional shares. So let's say I want to get a slice of Apple, right? So Apple is $267, right? Let's say I don't have that $267, but I have $20. I can still buy into Apple with those $20 using this app. With Robinhood, for example, you have to have the whole $267 to get Apple. But with this app, you could do fractional shares. So let's say I wanted to invest in Apple, I could do that with just $20 or so, or $50, or just $5. You could do fractional shares with this app. So hey, that's why this app is my favorite right now. But all three of these apps that I showed in this video are good, man. All 3 of these apps are good. All 3 of them are free. All 3 of them don't have any fees. Correction, I was wrong. Acorns does have a fee. It's $1 a month for Acorns, right? But I don't even notice it, to be honest with you. And yeah, but those are the 3 apps that I recommend investing in the stock market with. If you want to check them out, the links will be in the description below. With Acorns, you get $5. With Robinhood, you get a free stock. And with M1 Finance, I believe you get $10, right? So check them out if you want to. And that's all I have for today's video. Drop a like on the video, comment down below any questions you have, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.